Good morning. Welcome to our pharmacy. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I hope you can help me. I feel quite unwell.
I am sorry to hear that. Do you have a prescription from your doctor?
No, I do not have a prescription. I need something for a common cold.
I understand. We have many effective over-the-counter options.
I am experiencing several cold symptoms right now.
Please tell me exactly what symptoms you are currently having.
I have a very bad headache. It started this morning.
A headache is common with the flu. We can give you pain relief.
Also, my nose is running constantly. I have used many tissues.
We need something to help clear your nose immediately.
And I feel very tired. I did not sleep well last night.
That fatigue is typical when your body fights an infection.
I also feel slightly hot. Do you think I have a fever?
We can check your temperature quickly if you wish.
No, thank you. I just need medicine that helps with all these things.
I will recommend a medicine that treats headaches and congestion.
That sounds perfect for all my current problems.
Does your head or throat hurt when you swallow?
Yes, my throat is a little sore when I drink water.
I will add a small bottle of throat spray to your purchase.
Thank you. That throat spray is a thoughtful addition.
Have you taken any other medicine already today?
No, I have not taken anything at all yet.
Good. It is important not to mix certain cold medicines. This medicine is called Cold Stop. It is very effective for symptoms.
Cold Stop. Is that strong medicine for an adult?
Yes, it is strong. It will help clear your nose quickly.
Will this medicine make me feel very sleepy during the day?
It contains a non-drowsy formula for daytime use.
Non-drowsy is excellent. I still need to work this afternoon.
The Cold Stop also helps reduce fever and body aches.
I am glad to know it helps with the slight fever feeling.
You mentioned your sore throat. Here is the recommended spray.
The spray should numb the pain immediately, right?
Yes, the spray works within seconds to reduce pain.
That immediate relief will be very helpful now.
Do you have any allergies to common pain relief ingredients?
No, I have no known allergies to any medicines.
That is good. We must ensure safety first with medication.
How many tablets are contained inside the Cold Stop box?
The box contains 24 individual tablets inside.
24 tablets should last me for several days of treatment.
You should only take this medicine for a maximum of 7 days.
7 days maximum. I will note that important instruction.
This medicine is suitable to take with a cup of hot tea.
I will drink hot tea with the tablets when I get home.
We recommend taking the medicine after consuming a small meal.
After a meal, I will eat soup before taking the first dose.
That sounds like a very good plan for your recovery. Now, we need to discuss the correct medicine dosage.
Yes. Please tell me the exact dosage for the tablets.
You must take 2 tablets of Cold Stop every 4 hours.
2 tablets every 4 hours. I need to set an alarm reminder.
You must not exceed 6 doses within any 24-hour period.
6 doses maximum per day. I will count carefully.
You must stop taking the medicine if your symptoms completely disappear.
I will stop taking them as soon as I feel healthy again.
For the throat spray, use 2 sprays every 3 hours.
2 sprays every 3 hours. I will use that more frequently.
Do not eat or drink anything for 10 minutes after using the spray.
No eating or drinking after the throat spray use. I will wait.
If your symptoms worsen, you must call your doctor immediately.
If I get worse, I will definitely call my personal doctor.
I recommend writing the dosage instructions down on a small note.
That is a great idea. I will write them on this piece of paper now.
Do you understand the instructions clearly for both medicines?
Yes, the instructions are perfectly clear to me now.
Remember to store all medicines in a cool, dry place at home.
Cool and dry place. Not in the bathroom cabinet then.
Correct. Moisture can damage the effectiveness of the tablets.
I do not need the prescription medicine today, but I have a general question.
Of course. I am happy to answer any general questions about our services.
If I needed a prescription filled, do you require the physical paper?
For many strong medicines, we need the original doctor's paper copy.
I understand the paper is important for legal reasons.
Yes, we must verify the doctor's signature and registration number.
Can I also send the prescription details to you by email?
You can send a photo of the prescription for pre-checking.
A photo for checking is very convenient before I arrive here.
However, we still need the physical paper before dispensing.
I will make sure to bring the original paper next time.
Do you have your current health insurance card with you now?
Yes, my insurance card is right here in my wallet.
We can check if your insurance covers any of these 2 medicines.
Does insurance usually cover simple over-the-counter medicine?
Usually not for non-prescription items, but we can check anyway.
Please check for me. Even a small saving is very helpful.
I will scan your insurance card into the machine now.
I hope the system is working quickly today.
The system is processing your card details now.
Was there any coverage found for the cold stop medicine?
No, there is no coverage for these specific 2 items.
That is okay. I will proceed with the full purchase price. Before I pay, I need to add 2 more non-medical items.
Certainly, we have many good items for health and well-being.
I need a new toothbrush. My old one is very worn out.
We have soft, medium, and hard bristles for toothbrushes.
I will take the toothbrush with the medium bristles, please.
Here is a good, high-quality medium toothbrush for you.
Thank you. I also need some simple lip balm for dry lips.
We have lip balm with SPF or simple moisturizing balm.
I will take the simple moisturizing lip balm option.
We recommend taking vitamin C supplements when you have a cold.
That is a smart recommendation. Do you have a small bottle?
Yes, here is a small bottle of vitamin C tablets. They help immunity.
I will add the vitamin C to the purchase as well.
Your body needs extra support when fighting off an illness.
How much does the vitamin C bottle cost separately?
The vitamin C bottle is $7.50.
That price is very affordable for the added health benefit.
Is there anything else you might need from the shelves today?
No, that is the final list of items now. Thank you for asking.
I will total up all your items now at the counter.
I will prepare my payment card while you calculate the cost.
Your final total for all 6 items is $45.
$45. That is exactly what I expected to pay.
You can pay using cash or insert your card into the machine.
I will pay with my credit card, please. Here is the card now.
Thank you. Please confirm the amount on the payment screen.
The screen shows $45. I am inserting the card now.
The payment is processing quickly now for your order.
The payment went through smoothly. I got the successful notification.
Thank you, Liam. Here is your receipt and your complete order.
Thank you, Chloe. The bag feels heavy with all the items.
Please remember to take the cold stop after your meal today.
After my meal, I will start the treatment immediately at home.
Drink plenty of warm water and try to get a lot of rest.
Warm water and rest. I will follow your important advice.
If you do not feel better tomorrow, please consult your physician.
If no improvement, I will definitely call my doctor for help.
I sincerely hope you feel much better very soon.
Thank you very much for all your kind help and advice today.
You are very welcome. Take good care of yourself, Liam.
Goodbye. I am going home to rest now.
Goodbye. Have a quick recovery.